So this is a trolley which is used to carry many agriculture crops like sugarcane, wheat and paddy, and the straw of the paddy. So it was purchased in 2017 and it has been almost 4 years, and you can see the condition. Basically initially the condition was like this. It was well painted all around, but now the paint is getting off and it is corroding everywhere like this. And if you see any of the paint, so everywhere the corrosion is getting through the paint. The condition is also varying at many sites. You can see this. If you do like this, so the material is coming out. You can see this. It was painted everywhere 4 year back, but now at many places it is corroding and the corrosion is propagating through the paint like this, because this is a crevice formation here, so the corrosion is more severe at this site. Even you can observe this. So first the means it will start and then it will propagate inside the paint. Okay, and it will become very easy to take off the paint like this. The paint will very easily come out. Okay, okay, so this is another spot here. Okay, so maybe initially it is started like this, like a small one, and then slowly it propagate through the paint, and now this has become like a big spot. Okay, and now you can see that this at this area it is uniformly corroded, right? And very nearby to this area you can see this, where this J is written. So this area is well painted. There is almost absence of any spot of pit. Okay, one is here, one very small is here. Okay, so this is another observation, means if there is a small pit, a small spot, okay, you can see like this. Okay, so it is a very small pit, very small spot, but if you means if you would like to see the nearby condition, just rub it with any scrap brush. So you can see that inside the paint it is propagating, and basically it is not very small one, it is a larger than which was seen from the outside. Another example is here. So although there is a paint at this area, but if you do like this, so it is, the paint is not stick to the surface. Even the nearby it is not stick to the surface, and corrosion is present inside the paint everywhere. Okay, so now the condition is more dangerous, because at some area we have the paint and at some area the paint has get off. Okay, so here it will become more, the corrosion will become more faster to this take of the paint and propagate through the paint. Okay, like this. These all are the crevice formation here. Okay, these are the crevice formation. So almost every area is corroded here, right? Some portion has become more corroded, like this one. These are the end portion. Okay, and condition will be more dangerous in these crevices, because it has been 4 years. So and it is always left in the open sky, so the water, the sunshine is always coming directly to this trolley. Okay, you can see it is a big trolley, it is almost this size, right? And if we, this is all made of iron. Which form of iron I don't know, but this is all made of iron. there are huge amount of metal used, and means large amount of welding is also used because to make it in one piece. And one more thing which I want to show you is the underside of this vehicle. Basically it is not light here, so I will show you it after. Okay, you can see these portions are very much dangerous because here the paint was not that good paint used. Okay, so it almost get off everywhere. But basically this is the, you can say, lifeline of this trolley. As far as this uh, portion is okay, so some degradation, wear and tear at other portion can be neglected. Okay, so the plan is